Hello everyone. Lots of people asking me which parcel services I am using to send my parcels abroad, nationally, domestically. So I am revealing the best services I got is Jalasai Parcel Services in Bardoli. Plus, it is in the city center where you will get all the facility from packing to delivering. Each and every task is very easy. You don't need to bother about packing or packing accessories or charges. They will handle everything for you. Your parcel will reach at the destination without any problem or chaos. Just you have to give the order. That's it, and your parcel will be there at the destination without any delay, in a proper perfect condition. They have proper skilled worker who packed your parcels and products so nicely that it will not damage. And the most interesting thing is that everything is in budget friendly price. ઇન્ટરનેશનલ પાર્સલના એક્સપર્ટ અને એનઆરઆઈની પહેલી પસંદ. સો આઈ સ્ટ્રોંગલી રિકમેન્ડ જલાસાઈ ઇન્ટરનેશનલ પાર્સલ બારડોલી.